This morning, a Texas mother making a difficult decision to leave her home state for the emergency abortion her doctors say she needs. Her legal team saying Kate Cox's health situation had grown worse.
Once you've had multiple trips to the emergency room, it doesn't make any sense to keep waiting.
Hours later, the highest court in Texas overruling a lower court's decision on Monday, now saying Cox's doctor didn't show her abortion would meet the standard for a medical necessity, clarifying the narrow exceptions to the state's abortion bans.
I never thought I would ever need or want an abortion. I always wanted a big family.
It's a case of legal whiplash for Kate and her husband, Justin, who already have 2 children. The couple devastated to learn the baby she's carrying is suffering from a fatal genetic condition, a pregnancy her doctors say is not viable and jeopardizes her future fertility.
There's no outcome here that I take home my healthy baby girl.
Last week, a state court judge ordered Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton not to enforce the state's 6-week abortion ban against Cox or her doctors.
The idea that Miss Cox wants desperately to be a parent, and this law might actually cause her to lose that ability is shocking.
But that decision was quickly put on hold after Paxton's office petitioned the state's highest court, arguing Cox doesn't meet the criteria for a medical exception. Paxton also warning 3 hospitals in the area they could be subject to civil or criminal penalties if her doctor was allowed to perform the abortion.
Laura, this is a Texas case, but could it have implications, legal or otherwise, in some of the other states and abortion restrictions we're seeing?
Yeah, even though this was just about one woman's case in Texas, it was really viewed as something of a test case nationwide because, of course, abortion access is in the hands of the state now, guys. Because of the fall of Roe v. Wade, the states decide. And really, the idea was if they could go after the medical exceptions, that might be an avenue for access. But her case shows you have to go about pleading it the right way, or even that doesn't work.
What does that mean? That's legal jargon. We love pleading it the right way. What does that mean?
You have to actually make your case, put forward the evidence, and the doctor has to meet the exact legal standard that is in the statute, or you can't get any relief.
And in this case, the doctor didn't testify that her life was at risk.
Yeah.
Okay. Laura, thank you.
All right, thank you, Laura.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.